For years, millions of players around the globe have loved their original Nintendo Switch, embracing its revolutionary hybrid magic. But let us be completely honest with ourselves. As modern games grew more ambitious, massive open worlds became blurrier, frame rates struggled, and hardware that once felt futuristic started showing deep, undeniable signs of age. We hit a wall where the sheer portability we loved came at the heavy cost of performance compromises. That painful era of waiting, wishing, and hardware bottlenecking is officially over. Today, we are breaking down the monumental arrival of the Nintendo Switch 2. If you think this is just a minor refresh with a slightly larger screen, prepare to have your entire perspective flipped upside down. Nintendo didn't just tweak a formula. They engineered a powerhouse leap that bridges the gap between handheld convenience and next-generation home console performance. Make sure you are subscribed and locked in for every single second of this deep dive. Because by the time we finish, you will see why this system has completely captured the attention of the entire gaming world. Let us address the most critical upgrade right out of the gate: the raw processing muscle living under the hood. For years, critics whispered that Nintendo couldn't compete with high-end desktop rigs or bulky home boxes. They completely missed the point. Powered by a custom, high-efficiency NVIDIA-backed architecture featuring advanced Tensor cores and DLSS technology, the Switch 2 achieves what was previously thought impossible in a handheld form factor. We are talking about crisp, stunning high-definition visuals on an expansive screen when you are playing on the go, and gorgeous, razor-sharp 4K resolution output the exact second you dock it to your living room television. Worlds that used to look muddy or run at choppy frame rates now flow with breathtaking smoothness and pristine clarity. Now let us talk about the display and the physical hardware engineering. Nintendo refined the entire chassis, introducing a gorgeous, immersive visual panel that delivers vibrant colors, high refresh rates, and deep contrast. But the real genius lies in the physical interaction. The redesigned magnetic controller system, the next evolution of the iconic Joy-Con, snaps into place with a satisfying, ultra-secure lock, eliminating the wobble of the past while offering advanced ergonomic contours that fit comfortably in your hands during marathon gaming sessions. Every single button press, analog stick movement, and haptic feedback trigger has been tuned to absolute perfection, making you feel instantly connected to the virtual worlds you are exploring. Think about what this means for your game library, because Nintendo made the smartest move in industry history. Full backward compatibility. You don't have to leave your massive collection of physical and digital original Switch titles behind. Instead, your entire library transitions forward, running better, loading faster, and looking sharper than ever before thanks to hardware-accelerated enhancements. Games that once pushed the original hardware to its absolute breaking point now breathe easy, giving you a reason to replay your favorite adventures with completely transformed performance. And then there is the software lineup. We are looking at a generational leap backed by system-selling blockbusters, expansive open-world epics, and high-end third-party support that finally brings massive, mature titles onto a Nintendo platform without painful downgrades. Whether you are diving into sprawling new adventures or experiencing frantic multiplayer sessions with friends across local and global networks, the stability and speed of the online ecosystem deliver a seamless, frustration-free experience from the moment you boot up the menu. Consider the sheer versatility of how we play games today. Life is busy, and traditional consoles anchor you to a single room and a single screen. Handheld PCs are often bulky, heavy, and suffer from abysmal battery drain. Nintendo mastered the balance. You can pull the console from the dock right in the middle of an intense gaming session, walk out the door, and keep playing a full, uncompromised AAA console experience on a cross-country flight, at a coffee shop, or relaxing on your couch. That freedom is intoxicating, and it is an experience no other gaming machine on the market can replicate quite like Nintendo does. Think about your current gaming setup right now. Think about the games you've wanted to play on the go but couldn't, because portable hardware wasn't strong enough. Think about the loading screens, the resolution drops, and the limits of past generation tech. All of those barriers have officially been smashed to pieces.